Hi, to use Garmin Connect app with your Garmin Vivoactive 5, as a first step, you will need to go in the Play Store or App Store depending on the device, and from here find Garmin Connect app. And this app should look like that. You will need to install it, then open and make sure that your device is connected to this app. And now let's discuss how to use it. Firstly, let's go on this home tab on the bottom of the page, and here on this new and simplified home screen you'll see information that you can customize to your goals. The screen will display your activity today as well as in focus section where you can keep track of important metrics like your energy level. You can sort this section by holding down 6 cards, but you can't have more than 6. To change the order of the cards, simply swipe down and select Edit Home like that. Now the next section would be At a Glance. So here you'll find compact cards with values such as blood oxygen levels or water consumption. The latest values are shown and can be edited right here. You can tap See All and check everything including stress. You can select it. Here you can edit data. You can check it by 1 day, week, 4 months and 1 year, which is really impressive. Now the next step we can see here is challenges. So take part in monthly challenges to earn badges. The more badges you earn, the more points you earn, and you can use them to level up. Here you can see which challenges you can join. You can start an expedition. Here you can create your own challenge and so on, which is really impressive and great. And here you can see your calendar. We can tap on today and see results about heart rate, body battery, stress, taps, and so on. Let's move on to this More tab. In Newsfeed, we don't have much interest in, so let's select More tab. And from here, choose Training and Planning. So in this section, you can create and participate in races such as virtual 5K. Just choose workouts with Garmin coach plans to prepare for your goals, whether it's a 5K or half marathon. Plans are customized to fit your progression. Here you can tap Find a Plan, or you can check your active plan if you have one, and just manage it in this section. Of course, you can view your physical activities in this Activities section. Here you'll find data about your personal records and you can compare different workouts with each other. If you forget to wear your watch, you can manually add a workout. We can select running, and here we can check personal records, for example. Here we can see the distance, time, calories burned, and so on. Let's go back in this section, and here we can also check the data about our health. We just go in health stats, and you can go in the sleep. If you forget to wear your watch during the night, you can add manually details of your sleep. So just select bedtime, wake time, and save the changes, and you'll see it right on this display. Here you can check calories. After that, you can also check stress, body battery, and many other important measurements. And if you go in Garmin devices, here you can check whether your watch is connected to the app or not. You will need to find the name of your device and status connected. You can always synchronize your watch with a phone here by tapping these 2 arrows like that. And the last thing is you can check your badges and level by going to the Profile section. For that, select Settings, choose Profile and Privacy, and here you can check your badges and level, where you can see how many points you need to reach to the next level. And also you can just change some of the settings here, so you can enable to show your gender on profile, for example, height, weight, and so on. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.